Hello, this is Charlie Jones and today I've edited my first video. We started getting into drones about 4 months ago when my stepmom bought my dad an Eachine EX3 and then he crashed it because it was very windy. So that's why we decided to get into drones that you build yourself, because if you crash it, you could just buy a part for it. So first we ordered the Tyro 129, and that was coming from China because so it would take ages. So then we decided to buy a Tiny Hawk Freestyle 2 because that wouldn't take so long since it's coming from England. The Tiny Hawk Freestyle 2 is a really good drone. I do recommend it for a first drone. This is actually footage from the Tiny Hawk Freestyle 2, but we were flying in quite a small field near our house, so there isn't many flips. Then about a month later we received the Tyro 129 and it didn't take us that long to build it, but then we had to watch some of Joshua Bardwell's videos to how to configure it because we had no clue. And if you don't know anything about drones and you just bought one, then definitely go look at Joshua Bardwell's channel because he does everything on there. And I forgot to tell you, the other drone in the footage is our friend Andre flying his DJI Mavic.